Hi everyone, sorry for the voiceover, some sound issues on this video, but I wanted to get it out anyway, so I'm going to do this voiceover. So first thing you're going to see is me cutting the backing. As you've seen from the thumbnail, this is about picture framing, this video. So I'm cutting a 1/4 inch piece of plywood to be the backing, and this is for the Quiet British Accent poster that was sent after I helped them out with some moulds for one of their projects. So links in the description to those guys. Great brand, really interesting, so check them out. And now the backing's done, it's on to the framing. I'm actually going to end up putting a full 2-inch frame with a framed inset as well. But this is me ripping the 4 sides of the main frame. And then moving on to the crosscut jig or crosscut sled, so that I can get the exact lengths. Obviously the exact lengths need to be to the extremes of your 45-degree angles, so that you can still cut those and have the length you need. So important to remember. And then I'm using a block just to make sure that all the sizes are the same. They're not actually, it wasn't square, so that two sides were the same. And then yeah, 2 sets of sides were the same. But here we are with the 45-degree angle. Same thing. If you missed the video of how to make this jig, which is amazing really, because it assures you that the table saw, especially job site table saws, are pretty hopeless for 45-degree cuts. Well, this one is anyway. So if you didn't see that, or you want to see a new version, let me know. In fact, any videos you want to see, let me know, as the list of 50 has gone down to about 10, so I can stock up again with some ideas if you have anything particular you want to see. So here we are, dry fitting. I noticed that only 2 sides of this block were actually square, so I had to rip to fit, as it were. So you might want to check this out. I'm just going to have a slurp of coffee actually while this plays. There we are. Coffee and sawdust and coffee. Although wear a mask at all times. So you can see with something as simple as a picture frame, we've already used the crosscut sled, and we've already used the 45-degree angle cutter. So these jigs are worthwhile to have in the shop. So again, anything you want to see, let me know, and if you didn't see those, can't find them, I'm always up for making an updated version. So this is a pretty handy tool. I don't know if I've still got the link, but I'll put a link to one of these in the description. Great stuff. So flexible, 4 corners. I think it goes up to, if I remember rightly, it goes up to 8 linear feet in length, so you can pretty much do any frame with it. You put those 4 plastic corners on, and then there's a handle right in front of me. So once that's on and you've sort of pulled it hand tight, then you can twist the handle, and that tightens it properly. So it's basically tightening all 4 corners at the same time to make sure they stay square. Obviously you still need to check they are square, and then set it to one side and let it dry. Bit of a clean up, speedy clean up. So now what I'm going to do is, this is thick carton that this print is on, so I'm just going to make a very, very, very thin base of glue, and make sure I apply some pressure so that the print stays flat, but obviously didn't want to see any moisture coming through, which worked out fine, although I wasn't too sure at the time, but this was the best way for me to do that. And there we go. That is the finished article. I don't know why there's a black and white version of it in situ. It's actually moved now. It's not just hanging in the middle of nowhere. But there we go. Frame picture with using the 2 jigs. In other news, 750 subscriber giveaway has still not happened. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, 97% of everyone watching my videos is not subscribed, so that's a shame, because that really helped the channel, which is all good momentum and everything. So yeah, hope you like the continuing videos, and 3 winners this time for the 750 subscriber giveaway. Is the Marksman air markers that I did a video on. So there's 3 of those going out, and I'll do the draw, record it and put it on the channel. Cheers guys.